Hello. Now we will move on to our next topic, that is consumer buying behavior. Now buying behavior means what? Buying behavior means it is the decision processes and acts of people who are involved in buying. See, you can see this picture. This is the consumer buying behavior, that is how consumer will react and what are their need, what are their expectation pre-purchase, during the process of actual purchase and post-purchase. Let's move on. Consumer behavior on buying refers to the buying behavior of ultimate consumer. A firm needs to analyze buying behavior for three purposes. First one is buyers' reactions to a firm's marketing strategy has a great impact on the firm's success. The second point is the marketing concept stresses that a firm should create a marketing mix. That means a mixing of different distribution channels and products which ultimately the customers want it. Customers need to analyze what, when, how and what the customers want to buy. So in other terms, if we say that the customer needs, how that can be affected by the organizations, right? So that is what is important, and that is how actually affects the buying behavior of the consumer. Third point is marketers can better predict how consumers will respond to the marketing strategies. Now, what are the types of buying behaviors? First one is the complex buying behavior. Means what? That when a customer, we already know that the purchase decision making of a consumer consists of several steps. The first starts with the need recognition, followed by information research, what are available in the market, what particular features we want in the product, and then following with what alternatives are available. Then the fourth step is the decision making of purchasing anything, and followed by the last step, the post-purchase continuation of the relationship, creating the CRM with the customer. Now, this complex buying behavior actually, it involved in a purchase and perceived significant differences among brands. The consumer may be highly involved in the product, but they have the product may be expensive, may be risky, purchased infrequently, highly self-expressive, but the consumer should be, they have much to learn about the product category. Okay. So this is actually when the customer makes the purchase decision, there are so many thought processes in the customer's mind, and for making the purchase decision, it becomes very complex for the customer. Okay, so that is the first one is complex buying behavior. Second one is dissonance reducing buying behavior. What is that? The dissonance reducing buying behavior occurs when the customers are highly involved with an expensive, infrequent or risky purchase, but there are no brand preference for them. So the product keys, the product features, the services, that are important, but there is not so many brand fascination by the customer or the brand loyalty for the customer. So that makes things a little bit less complex. So in the first point, it is a complex buying behavior. In this, the second one is that the brand fascination or the brand loyalty is not there, so that it is a lesser complicated for the customers for deciding whether they want to buy something or not. Now the third one is habitual buying behavior. From the name itself we can understand that habitual buying behavior occurs under conditions of low consumer involvement and little significant brand difference. That means what is already habituated with the customer, that product or service is needed, the customer goes and buys it. What brand it is, what special feature the product holds, that does not bother the customer from the buying of the product. So that is called habitual buying behavior. And the fourth is variety seeking. That means when the customer gets bored or wants to test something else, wants to explore something else, then they go for a new option. Say for example, we are all using say shower gel every day. So maybe using a brand for 5 years, you think that okay, let me go and explore some other brand. So maybe it is we get bored with the product features. Maybe there is some advertisement which is working as the marketing stimuli for us. Okay, let us go and check what are the new product is there. Let me go and explore it. So it happens that is the variety. New variety is what the customer wants to explore. So it's a variety seeking option. And so these are the